Welcome to Hybis TV. My name is Suresh Kochatel. Today we have with us Rakhi Kankaria, founder director of Rachnotsav, an event management company that has been in Hyderabad for a long time now, and of course has a national play too. But in these days of COVID-19 and its impact on the industry, we wanted to speak to Rakhi and ask her what's really happening and how would the industry fare in the days to come. Welcome to the show, Rakhi ji. My first very obvious question to you would be, what has been the impact of COVID-19 on the event management industry? Because it's a low-hanging fruit, and along with advertising and other things, it would have got hit the most. So what's been the impact?
We are at a standstill in form of action and deliverables in any perspective, and whatever little is happening in India, in the Indian perspective, is very minute or micro. The rest of it has, as it has been defined to 20 people or 50 people at the max by the government, and hence I think the answer lies in it that our industry has come to a standstill. But yes, the positive point about this is that all of us are getting to re-look at our business orientation and the way we have to go forward, because large and massive and mammoth is now debarred from our concept of work and work orientation. We all have to start thinking safe, well achieved, and virtually we have to grow in the sense of the online space and the social media space. So phygital is the way forward, physical and digital amplification, physical the least and amplifying in the digital space the maximization of that opportunity. I think that's the collaboration that we will have to make for a period of a handsome 24 months probably, and thereafter we can see some more daylight.
Yeah, which brings me to the next very obvious question, because that's a corollary from what you have just spoken about, that small is good, no, not big, and also the fact that the digital is thing to be in right now. But more importantly, you did mention that we will pull out of all this sometime, maybe 6 months to 1 year in a calendar year. But the question is, according to you, I'm not asking you to be a Nostradamus, but predict when the impact of COVID-19 would finally wean away and we could get to some semblance of the good old days of event management.
24 months to truly believe that, yeah, we can take that. We won't have to live on the memory lane. We will start living it again.
Okay. So the question obviously is there, when you say 24 months, what makes you predict as a 24 months?
See, the perspective that medical science and the several trials which are happening from all over the world to find a solution to the safety and safety measures for the corona itself will take its testing time and its process time. And I think other than that also, government seeing and all of us having a clear understanding of the ratings of how it is opening, because we have opened up the industry at this point of time. I think about 30% of the industry has been opened up in Hyderabad. The impact of this in the coming days will help us measure the fortification of the furtherance of our routine. So keeping that in mind, I think it's an analytical wait, watch, and result analysis will be done, and on the larger picture decisions will be taken. So all of this owing to the fact that nothing else goes wrong, then I think it's as safe as that long. But otherwise, I think if we find a solution faster and things progress very beautifully without any hindrances, then we could come about much earlier, which could be about 6 to 8 months also.
So Rakhi ji, we Indians love everything big,
Yeah.
We love those IPL games.
Absolutely.
We love those huge rock concerts.
Absolutely.
And we generally, even the big fat Indian weddings are all a part of our normal day-to-day lives now. But suddenly, all that has changed. You cannot, at least in the near foreseeable future, have a big fat wedding. You cannot have a huge IPL game. Maybe that will happen in empty stadiums or at least with restricted crowds. But do you think the entire concept of this, huge, big is going to now change into something different?
It's all going to go online for it to be huge and big. The physical presence will be restricted to a few numbers. As we go forward, I think those numbers will be defined, and I think we will have to wait and watch on the analysis of that. But large and big I think it is going to be a pause at that.
Okay. The clients, they are the ones who kind of bring in this entire business. Now, for them, they have their internal, events, and they have their external events. Now, the clients are also going to change. You did mention that, everything is going to be online. But once in a while, there will be a kind of a get together, maybe in 15 different places, connected all through a link again, of course. So, do you think the clients are also now talking about changing the methodology of events, not just sticking to the traditional, straightforward, having a stage, having a backdrop, having a huge music setup and all that? Now, is that all going to change it? Are you suggesting some innovative ideas to clients?
There will be a change in this perspective of we will not be together in one place, and wherever anybody is connecting from, whichever part of the world or space, they will have the orientation that is required for sound, light and all of the technicals in that space only. So, therefore, it will be multiple locations having the required infrastructure and technical support, and distance is definitely going to be maintained, and people will have to accept that it will take some time, and the change has come. It's got to be with the social distancing, with the safety measures. I think there's no change to that, at least for the recent coming 6 months at least.
Rakiji, the thing is, we are all talking of as a new normal. The new normal being that, we're going to have niche events, we're going to have events which are now innovative, digital, online. As you rightly mentioned, maybe 24 months, maybe 6 months, maybe 12 months, we will see going back to that old format. So, in a scenario which we are looking at right now, maybe in the next 2.5 to 3 years, will there be a mix of the old and the new as we go along?
100% the old will never go away. The new will take its space depending on how interesting, impactful and invigorating it is, because people are now bored of not being able to connect. So, whatever we bring in as innovation has to be extraordinarily creative and extraordinarily having a punch where people will want to participate. There has to be a keen interest in the subject or the activity we are doing. So, therefore, yes, the old will not go, the new will settle in faster. The more energetic it is, the more different it is, and the more acceptable it gets.
So, what's your advice to the professionals in this business? Not to get disheartened, not to think negative, that, look forward to the positive things that are happening around.
Utilize the time, analyze the change, set in the acceptance of collaboration and learning from industry friends who are going in different directions, partner with them to relate knowledge sharing in a larger perspective, do an analysis what works in the framework of the market in which you want to work, whether it's global or national or regional. The most important thing is partnerships are very important. All of us can't be masters of everything. We will have to partner with our friends who specialize, industry partners who specialize in certain spaces, and I think sound handshake with a belief and trust in each other's experience is a great way to go forward for new ideas to come about and implementation to be a success. I think this is very important, not only for the new entrants or for the just newly established organizations, for across the segment. The biggest of the leadership in the event industry is also doing the same thing, where they are reorienting, refabricating the texture of their business. People are looking at television channel programs as producing that, getting involved with film sets and television sets. So, event management has shifted because we have infrastructure. So, we are looking at going a milestone different from the perspective of events to film and to shoots and to television businesses also, because we have the bandwidth to probably cue in and tweak our thought process.
Rakhi ji, you rightly brought in all your years of decades of experience into a short interview like this. I'm sure we'll see good days going ahead, because nothing stops the good days from coming back. The idea is to ensure that we have a very positive frame of mind, we think positively, and we should ensure that going forward, the event management industry will innovate and change its ways it does the activities. And that, I think, is very important. Thank you very much for speaking to us at Hybus News. And it's been a pleasure interacting with you after such a long time.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Hybus TV.
That was Rakhi Kankaria, founder director of Rachnotsav, the event management company, that has been making waves for decades now. She rightly brought in a perspective of the old and the new. And surely the event management industry will evolve itself as the times comes along. Thank you for watching.